Okay, hi everyone, I've got another unboxing here today. If you can't see, I've got the Swiss Army Knife Classic SD, Victorinox, and the Smith's Pocket Pow knife sharpener. Okay, so we'll start off with the Swiss Army knife, in quite nice packaging. Just break it open. Quite tough plastic. Here we are. It's quite small. It says it has 7 functions, and they are the blade, very small, the nail file, a flathead screwdriver, the scissors. They count the keyring as a function, and then the tweezers, and the toothpick. Yep, so that's that for you. Next thing, we have the Pocket Pow knife sharpener. Let's open it up. Okay, here we are. So we've got 2 different sort of V-shaped grooves. One says ceramic, one says carbide. So they're obviously for different sharpening purposes. We've got just a rod for sharpening serrations. Just locks out. It looks quite strong. It's very nice. Comes in a little box. Shows a demonstration of it. Yeah, that's about it on the box. So yeah, that's my unboxing here today. We've got, just to go over it again, we've got the Swiss Army Knife Victorinox Classic SD and the Smith's Knife Sharpener Pocket Pow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.